Okay, so welcome back guys to the channel. This is TRI, and this is just a little setup that I did on V50, right? So yeah, this video is dedicated to the people that are starting forex trading and do not have a clue on the books to start or on the concept to start, right? So I have compiled a small number of books that I find vital to every beginner and even for the seasoned traders. If you go back and review them, then you might learn a new thing or two, right? So yeah, most of you guys will have some prior knowledge to these books, but if you don't have or if you don't even know this book, right, then you can just hit up in the comment description and I will leave a link to the places where you can download them, right? So yeah, without further ado, let's just go right ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so so these are the books, right? So we have this one and we have this one and we have this one, right? So I'm gonna go a little bit into detail about what these books are and what you can get from them, right? So these are total of four. These are a total of four books that I recommend to every beginner and every season trader, right? You must at least have some knowledge about them or have actually even read about them, right? So the first one, which is good, which most people regard as useless, but is actually a good book, is this one, which is called Baby Pip, right? So it doesn't actually go much into detail about strategies and finding an edge in the market, but it does give you some prior knowledge on what forex is, what are pips, and some of the fundamental knowledge that you need to be aware of if you're going to be a forex trader, right? So some of these things actually involved what a pip is, what a base currency is, and actually how the forex market navigates and how it actually works, right? So yeah, it is actually a very good book, especially for those native forex traders that actually want to know about what they are doing instead of only just playing buy and sell, right? So the next book that I actually recommend after the baby pips one is if you can just go ahead and jump to the candlestick bible, right? So this candlestick bible is actually very vital in terms of for every financial market that you're going to come across on, whether it be forex, commodity, stocks, right? Everything is always going to have some candlestick, right? So if you can actually see on my MT5, these are what I use in terms of analyzing the market. But do pay in mind that you can actually change how you view the market, either be line or chart. But we, the forex community, we recommend using the candlesticks, since they produce more information compared to the line in the bar chart, right? So this book right here is going to be the one that is going to show you how you can read candlestick patterns and actually understand what a candlestick is and why the market moves in a certain way that it moves, right? So the next book that I'm going to recommend is this one, right? Which is called Market Structure, and all credits goes to Wade FX Setups. Is the one that made this book, right? So this is the content that is going to be covered in this book, and if you can actually pause the video and actually read a lot of this. So basically this is going to be purely SMC. The candlestick bible is going to be price action, which is very essential for every and any strategy out there that involves looking at the financial markets, right? So this is a good book that is going to go in depth about market structure, and you're going to learn a lot from this book, right? So the last book that I'm going to recommend is the one that is called Emotion Free Trading, right? So this book right here is going to be your guide and is going to be your edge in the financial market, right? So the more that you get into forex trading, then the more you start to realize that it is going to be a psychological game more than a money game, right? So this book right here is going to be your guide in handling those emotions, those wins, those losses, how to keep your calm, and how to find your edge in the markets emotionally, right? So yeah, guys, these are the four books, and if you're having a hard time downloading them or finding where you can have access to these books, then you can just hit up on the comment section, and I will leave some links. But for this video, this is it, guys. I hope you found it informative, and I'll see you on the next one.